Planning a move in Largo, Florida. Whether you're relocating locally or long distance, understanding the costs and services available is crucial. Let's explore what you need to know. Moving costs in Largo vary based on several factors. On average, moving a one-bedroom apartment locally costs around $400, $950, while moving a two-bedroom apartment can average up to $1,200, $1,500. For long-distance moves, costs can range from $2,400 to over $12,000, depending on distance and services required. Several elements impact your moving expenses. Home size. Larger homes require more time and resources. Distance. Longer distances increase transportation costs. Additional services. Packing, storage, and specialty items add to the price. Timing. Moves during peak seasons or weekends may cost more. Largo offers a variety of moving services to suit your needs. Full-service moves. Comprehensive services covering packing, loading, and transportation. Labor-only moves, hiring movers to assist with loading and unloading your rental truck. Specialty moves, handling items like pianos or antiques. Consider these reputable moving companies in Largo. 3 Movers offers local and long-distance moving services with transparent pricing and no deposit required until your move date and crew are fully confirmed. Flex Storage provides portable storage solutions with same-day delivery and real-time GPS tracking. To keep costs down, by understanding moving costs and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and affordable move in Largo. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.